In this video, we want to prove if 3n minus 8 is odd, then n is odd, where n is an integer. So we're going to prove this using the contrapositive. So we're going to start with negating the conclusion here. So instead of saying n is odd, I'm going to say if n is even, then 3n minus 8 is also even. So let's start with n being even. That means we can write that as 2 times k, where k is some integer. And then when we're looking at 3n minus 8, we can substitute n equals 2k to get 3 times 2k minus 8, which is 6k minus 8. And they both have a factor of 2. So I can pull that out and have 3k minus 4 left. 3k minus 4 is going to be an integer, but because we're multiplying by 2, that makes it even. So 3n minus 8 is even. And so because we proved it, we proved the contrapositive, therefore the original must be true. That is, if 3n minus 8 is odd, then n is also odd. And so that completes the proof.